Hello and welcome to the demonstration of exercise 3-4. I have started up a inch drawing and adjusted my grid and my snap to something that would match my smallest dimension or smallest fraction divided by 2. So I've created the circle at the bottom, the 1.25 diameter circle, and now I'm going to create some temporary lines on which to draw these circles here. So I will start by drawing a line from the center here, and I'll turn on my snaps, and I'm going to create a line up here. Of course, many different ways to create that line. It is a 6-inch long line at 60 degrees. So I'm going to use the dynamic input available, and I'm going to type 6 for the length, and then press my tab key, and then type the degrees of 60 and escape. Then the circle over here, I'm going to create a temporary line for it, and it is 45 degrees off of the top, or the 90-degree line. Sorry about that. Let me turn off my email. Maybe it won't beep in. And here we go. So 45 degrees plus 90. Excuse me. So line from this endpoint in this direction, 6 inches, tab 135. And that locates the center of this circle or area of the part. Now create circles, represent that hole, and they are 1 inch in diameter. So D, enter, 1, enter, circle again, D, enter, 1, enter, and then I've got a larger circle to the outside, and it is a 1.25 radius. And what we'll do, we'll end up doing a lot of trimming. I like drawing circles myself, and then trimming them up. Alright, and then at the bottom I have also a 1.25 or 1.25 inch radius circle. Alright, now we begin creating the large arcs at the top and the offset of those. So let's get that top one in. So for that, I'm going to use circle, tangent, tangent, radius. Remember, circles in CAD are drawn counterclockwise. So my first tangency will be over here, generally where you think it'll be tangent, not too far over, kind of to the inside, so that it will draw to the outside of the circles. And that one is 6 inches plus the outside radius of 1.25, so it'll be 7.25. See, it went the wrong direction. So, yes, it happens even to your instructor. There we go. Alright, then I need an arc in here that is 2.5. Tangent, tangent, radius. I'm going counterclockwise. So I'll pick generally to the inside here where it might fit. 2.5. And then over here I've got lines. Okay, so I'll do a line, Holding down the Shift key and right click brings up a pop-up menu for my O-snaps. So I'm going to choose tangent and then do it again. Shift, right click, tangent, and that has that one in. Then the next line right here is 0.75 distance across, so I'll do offset 0.75 and pick the side to offset. Okay, then this arc is also 0.75 larger, so I'm going to pick and offset it. And then this one is 0.75 to the inside, so I'll pick and offset it. Now if that doesn't confuse you, I don't know what will. Yeah, there's a lot of lines on here, and we're going to trim those up. I'm going to slide this. I don't need to slide it over, it's okay. So I'm going to zoom up a little bit and start the trimming process. So I like typing TR and enter for trim, and I'm going to use this and this circle to trim the larger circle away. Alright, I'm going to leave that one for now, and let's see, I need to use this and this to trim this circle. Okay, it trims it off right there at the tangent. I can go ahead and trim this away. I won't need the pieces to the outside. I'm going counterclockwise, if you notice, when I'm trimming. I could go ahead and trim this too, so I'll go trim, and I'll pick these two and trim that, that, and that. And you can see it's starting to take shape. I don't need this line anymore. I'm going to delete it. I don't need this line. I'm going to delete that. And it's starting to clear up. Okay. Now I'm ready to put some small, the inside fillets, that is, to the inside here. I've got all my arcs in place. So I'll go here to the fillet and choose that, and now we're going to set the radius, and the radius it recommends or states specifies is 0.5, so I'll type 0.5, enter, and it is set to trim. Okay, so let's see how that looks. And it goes also, well, this won't matter, it's not, yeah. Now hit spacebar to start it again. And I'm just pressing my spacebar to start that fillet command again. Okay, now I need to do some more trimming. And I'm going to just press enter when it says select objects, and everything now is a trimming edge, and it makes it a little faster to trim up stuff. And there you have it. There is the positioning spacer. In this particular part of the course, you do not have to put center lines or anything. As always, email me at steve.bailes, B-A-I-L-E-S, at kctcs.edu if you have any questions about any part of this.